Hey everyone, welcome back to Pably, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect JotForm with Mailgun application with the help of automation. So this automation that we are about to set up will let you collect your leads or customers data from JotForms and add those leads in a mailing list in Mailgun application automatically. Okay, now let me show you how it is going to work. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As in when any of your lead is going to fill the form that you have created via JotForm application, the data of that lead, the contact details of that lead will be transferred in Mailgun application, and the same person is going to be added in a mailing list here in Mailgun application automatically. Okay. So here, this automation is going to help you fast pace your email marketing process, and it is surely going to save your time and energy and improve your productivity. And to make this happen, we are using Pably Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation, guys, is to log in into your Pably Connect account. So for this, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pably Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. And after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pably Connect here like this. And on this page, guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable or proper name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name here as add leads from JotForm in Mailgun automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created like this. Okay, and on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger here is the happening of any event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action is the response towards that trigger. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new JotForm submission, and the action to that trigger is to send the JotForm's data into Mailgun and add a member here in a mailing list. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application, which is JotForm in our case. So type here JotForm. Okay, and now in the trigger event, you have to select new response, so it will trigger this workflow as and when you will collect a new response from the form. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and with the and this URL is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pably Connect. So with the help of this URL, we are going to connect our form and we'll fetch out the demo form submission here so that we can set up this automation further. Okay. So to make this connection, you can read the instructions here written. Let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, copy this webhook URL from here, and then you have to go to your JotForms dashboard. This is my JotForm dashboard, guys. And here is the contact form. Let me show you the form. This is the contact form I have created for my leads. Okay. Now here in this dashboard, I'm going to click on the settings option here. Here you'll find this. Okay, let me show you. Here you'll find the settings, and on the settings page here you will find this integration options on the left hand side. Click on integrations, and here you have to search for webhooks. Okay, this is webhooks. Click on it. So you can see a previous integration is up and running here. Let me remove this integration. Okay, now click on webhooks again, and here in this add webhook field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pably Connect. Okay, so copy it or paste it here, and then click on complete integration, and you can see that the integration is ready now. And here you can see in Pably Connect, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a demo submission via JotForm, and we are going to fetch the details of the response of the form here in Pably Connect. So here is my form, and I'm going to fill this form on behalf of my any lead. Okay, so that will be a demo lead. So name of the lead is Abhishek Sharma, and this is the email ID of this person, and let me fill the phone number. Okay, so I have filled this form here, and I'm going to click on submit now, and you can see the form is submitted successfully. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this submission, and here you can see in this response received section we got the details of a demo form submission here like this. Here you can see, you can find the details of the form submission like this. Okay, and all the details here, right? So this is how it is going to fetch the details. Now I want to add this person whose data we have received in the mailing list that I have here in Mailgun application. So here is the list I have, Jot form list. Okay, so I want to add this person here in this list. Okay, for that to happen, you have to connect your Mailgun application in the Actions tab. So from this choose I field, choose for Mailgun. Okay, and in this action events, you have to select this option, new mailing list member, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for these things: the API, the private API key, and the Mailgun host region and the domain name. So to make the connection with Mailgun, you need to fill these things, and you can read the instructions written here to fill these things. And here you can see enter API as it is, and here you have to enter the private API key. So in the API field, just put API like this. Okay, and to find this private API key, you have to log in into your Mailgun account, and in the security region, security tab, you will find this key. Let me show you. This is my Mailgun application, and here I'm going to click on where account settings. Okay, so in Mailgun application, I'm going to click here on this profile icon, and here you will find the security section. So click on security. Okay, under the security tab, you will find this API security tab here, and here you will find this private API key like this. Okay, so you can just open this key and copy this key like this. Okay, and then you have to paste this key here in this private API key field like this. Okay, and in the Mailgun host, you have to put the region. If you're working in US region, you have to put it like this, or if you are working in European region, you have to put the region like this. Okay, so currently I'm working in the US region, so I have put the domain here, my Mailgun host here like this. Okay, and for the domain name, for the same region, for the US region, you can find the domain name from the list of domains in Mailgun. So when you click here on this domains, you will reach the page in Mailgun where you can find the domain name. Okay, so here is the US region, click on it, and here in this US region, you can see we have this is the domain actually that we needed. So just copy this from here and paste it here in Pabbly Connect in the domain name like this. Okay, then click on save, and you will be connected with Mailgun like this. Okay, so we are connected now, and here it is asking for the list in which I want to add this person. So here you will find this list, and I want to add this person in this Jot form list that I have in Mailgun. And here it is asking for the address and all other things. So I'm going to map the data that we have received here in the first step from the demo form submission via Jot form, and I'm going to map the data here in the second step. So to map the data, you just have to click here. So here you can see in this address, you have to enter the member's email address. So click here, and you'll find this Jot form new response option in the drop down, and from here only you can get the domain email address like this. Okay, and in the update section, you can read yes, click yes to update member if present, and no to raise an error in case of duplicate member. So you can check in Mailgun if this person is a new contact or an old contact. So I'm making it yes here, because yes to update member is present. Okay, yeah. So I'm assuming that these are the new leads that I'm getting from Jot form. So I'm making it yes. And in the member name, let me map the name of the member from this Jot form response. Here you'll find the name. So let me map the full name from here. Okay, like this. Now you can check your connection with Mailgun. Let me show you how. So I'm opening my list here, mailing lists. And here is the JotForm list. Okay, and here in the list you can see I have two contacts right now, and let me click here on save and send test request, and a new contact will be added in Mailgun, and you can see here is the response that we have received. Now let me show you in the list. I'm refreshing this list here, and let's see, and you can see a new contact get added here named as Abhishek Sharma, okay, with this email address. Okay, so new contact got added here, and this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the sections in this trigger, I connected JotForm. With the help of this URL, we received a demo form submission here like this, and after this, in the sections tab, I connected Mailgun and map the data from the first step like this. And when you map the data like this, what will happen in real time when you get any form response via JotForm, this data is going to change accordingly, and a new contact will be added. Let me show you a real-time example, guys. I'm opening my form again, okay, and let me fill this form here again. So this time the name of the person is Pankaj Jain, and this is the email ID of this person, and this is the phone number. Okay, and I'm going to click on submit here, and you can see the form is submitted. Now we will check directly in Mailgun application if this contact got added or not. So I'm refreshing the list here in Mailgun, and let's see what happens. And you can see Pankaj Jain is added here automatically. So this is how it is going to happen in real time, guys. Once you set up this automation here, you need not to do anything manually after that. After that, as and when you are going to receive any form submission from your leads, the leads will be added in your email marketing tool, which is Mailgun, automatically. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I have just created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.